Hey guys, it is me Ubaid, and some time ago I made a video on how you can stop paying to retail or Vapi or any of these agent builder platform, and you can build the same voice agent with open source tools like LiveKit or Pipecast, and this got like 3 to 4 thousand views, and a lot of you guys came inbox to me or like reached out to me like how we can build agents with LiveKit, and particularly these were the people who had agents working in retail Vapi. Now they wanted to migrate their agent to the LiveKit, and today I found a new platform, and that is Video SDK. So I will be talking about that, and I will show you how you can build the voice agent with this open source tools, because there was only two tools largely in the market, and that was Pipecast and the LiveKit. But I personally tried this Video SDK, and I feel like it is more straightforward and more easy for a non-technical person to just build a voice agent with Video SDK. And they even have like a comparison with LiveKit, so you can see somewhere here. But yeah, and even you can deploy it on into your own servers and all of that. So let's just see the demo first, and then we can see how we can build the agent in Video SDK. So I have built the agent, and this is running with this command python agent.py. I'm just running this file, and you can see no active jobs are there because no one is on call with the agent. Now I will make the call, and the agent will talk to me, and I will keep it on speaker.
On behalf of Obeyed. How can I help you today?
Hey, sorry, who are you?
I'm Sarah, Ubaid's assistant. How can I help you today?
Yeah, actually I wanted to book a meeting with him. Can you do that for me, please?
Yes, I can definitely help you with that. What day and time are you looking for?
Yeah, I would like to book it for tomorrow 3 p.m.
Okay, let me check Ubaid's availability for tomorrow at 3 p.m.
Okay,
Please wait a
perfect, thank
moment.
you. Okay, so that was a small demo, and you can see the transcriptions also going on here. And so that was me. Yeah, I would like to book it for tomorrow 3 p.m. And you can give like all the tools, all the calendar access, all of that to the agent. But now let's see how we can build it, right? So it's really straightforward. You can just create an account, and you get like 10,000 minutes for free. And then what you do is, let me open it up. Okay, you go to API reference, and you go to AI voice agents, and you go to AI voice agent quick start. So in less than 10 minutes or even like 5 minutes, you will be able to create a AI voice agent that will be connected to your phone number via Twilio or any other provider you are using, and you will be able to call that agent and talk to it. So that is possible within like 10 minutes, right? So, and think of it how much you are saving in terms of cost if you are building it on retail or Vapi. So there is no platform fee. You can just get the code, host it yourself, all of that is possible, right? Okay, now here it is, and if I go to in my meetings, so that is the dashboard of the video SDK, and in these sessions I can see like my call which I just did at 11:48, and that was the call, right? Participants were two, and that was me and the AI agent, right? So yeah, and there are a lot of details. I don't want to reveal that, but you will get a lot of analytics about your meetings, right? About your calls. Now, how to build it? So, AI voice agent quick start. First of all, you have to obviously create a token, and you can do it by go to API keys and then create a token here. So that is the generate token button. After that, there are two pipelines, so real time and the cascading is just STT, LLM and TTS, just like that. And real time is basically speech to speech model, right? uh, Now you would just for the real time you will install these packages, and all of this will be in Python, and I think is the most friendly language. But there are SDKs in like every language. They have the SDKs in Node.js and JavaScript or whatever, right? Now for the environment setup, you just need to use your OpenAI key, or in this case I am using Google Gemini as the model, so I just need to have my Gemini key, and that will be in the .env obviously. So I do have a file name .env here. I will not reveal that, but that is here, right? And how you are loading it, you are just loading it using load.env package, and that is load.env underscore with an underscore. Now you create an custom agents. So what you do, you just copy it, and you create a new main.py file, and that is pretty much it, right? So that is your first message, hello, I can help you, and there I have written uh, this. So hello, I'm Sarah on behalf of Beth, how can I help you today? And when you write that, and also there are some things missing here, but you can get the exact this code also from the description. There will be a link about it, and then you start the session. And for starting the session, this module is there, and you have to now uh, choose the model. I am using personally the Gemini model, this one, Gemini real time, but you can use OpenAI also, or the Gemini, right? These days Gemini is a bit popular, and uh, a lot better than OpenAI in my opinion, so I'm using that. Now we have to create the pipeline, and agent session will be in this object, and then we start the session, and that's exactly what I am doing here. Session dot start, and then this event will wait for, like, if there is an event. And then there is one more really important thing, and that is here. So you are running this, and with the job.start, and the options are as a parameter, and in the options you have agent ID, right? And that is like really critical, because that is unique identifier for the routing of your calls. Now let's see how we use this ID, right? So my telephony agent, please remember that. And so there is like web mode, also console mode, you can just use that if you don't want to use telephony. But real life use case always demand to connect your AI voice agent with the telephony, right? Okay, now this is the guide for the telephony, and yep. So I will recommend you to do it via dashboard because that is like more UI friendly, but you can always use API. I would suggest if you are building a platform, then use API obviously, because your users will be using your platform and you will be hitting APIs of the video SDK. But if you are doing it for yourself or like building an agent for someone, you can use dashboard also. And dashboard is this app.video SDK. Now navigate to telephony inbound guide. So I go to here, I went here, inbound gateway, and I created a new gateway. This was my Twilio number, and so I added that in the auth, nothing here, just like the the phone number. And the process is really simple. You just create an inbound gateway URL, which is right here, right? And then you just copy this URL into your SIP URI, which is in the origination. So that one, right? In the Twilio, I have done it. I will not reveal like the exact URI and all of that, but uh, you can just go to Twilio and add that, right? And then the outbound gateway for making the outbound calls, right? And then the routing rule. This one is interesting, where this telephony where this agent ID will be using. So you have to go to routing rules, and then for the inbound, phone number is the same. And if we see details, direction inbound gateway is this, okay, and the room configuration and the agent configuration. Now you are using it as self-hosted because like this is my personal machine and I can obviously use it on a cloud. So that is me, not the cloud version of video SDK. Now here I have to use the agent ID, and that has to match exactly with what you are written here, right? So that will be there, and yes, that's pretty much it, right? There are other settings as webhook and all of that, but I will leave it up to you, like how you can explore. But pretty much whatever you are doing within retail or Vapi or LiveKit or Pipekit, you will be able to do it in Video SDK with much less effort, and you can deploy it on your own server. Okay, so then you can make an outbound or inbound call just like I did, and yeah, you can talk to your agent, right? Now for the deployment, this is the dedicated guide. You can use their cloud also, which will be their infrastructure, or you can use the Docker and the custom infrastructure. In this case also this is custom, because if I leave this like machine running, then it will be running for like uh, always, right? So or you can use a cloud machine always runs 24/7. So that's how the deployment works, right? Now there are particular reasons when you want, and the only thing self-hosting matters is if you want to have a greater control, you should go for self-hosting. Otherwise, if you don't care about much control and you want just ready to use AI agent, you can use cloud managed server also by the video SDK. Okay, so that was it, I guess. And so there are like WhatsApp integration, all of that is here. So you can build like WhatsApp agent also, and a lot of things, right? I would recommend you to go in the AI voice agent section and just play around and what you can build. Okay, I think that was it, and I'll meet you in the next video. Bye bye.